Hi guys, today I'm here to do this makeup look and I will show you how to make this a more like a glamorous evening look. So this is a glamorous daytime look and then I will show you guys how to switch it into a glamorous evening look as well. And you will also see how my makeup stays up and what all I'll need to do to turn it into an evening look, the touch-ups and all of that good stuff. So if you want to know how to get this look and turn it into an evening glam look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my eyes first because I don't want any fallout. And for my face, I'll just be doing it off camera. So using the Urban Decay primer portion, I'm just priming my eyes. And along with this Stila eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Musk. Just putting it into my crease as a transition shade. Using a little more defined brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Eden, just into my crease. I'm now going to go in with the shade Amber and just put it on my outer V. And a little into my crease as well. And also in my inner corner to create a kind of like a halo sort of a look. For under my brow bone, I'm going to use the shade Desert Sand. And I just want to take the shade Eden. So now I'm just going to add a little bit more of the Urban Decay primer in the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with the Stila Magnificent Metals. This is like a taupe shade with a little purple and silver glitter. This moment for all my life, oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord. And then I'm just gonna go back with a small brush and use the shade Amber and Eden and blend it in with this Stila eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use my fingers and just dab a bit. I think I might dip it away. I'll now go and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm done with my face. I just used the Hourglass foundation and set it with the Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and did my bronzer and blush. And now for my eyes, I'm just gonna go back into the Huda Beauty palette and taking the shade Eden just on my lower lash line. I don't want to do too much because this is a glamorous day kind of a look. I mean, you can wear it at night as well, but for my waterline, I'm gonna use the NARS Longwear eyeliner in the shade Rue. It's like a flesh toned eyeliner. And for my upper lash line, I'm gonna use the brown pencil liner from Chanel and just line my upper lash line. What you did, I saw it with my own two eyes. So you couldn't wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. You have to go really carefully on top of the Stila liquid eyeshadow, because when you do use a pencil eyeliner, you do get some fallout, so just keep that in mind. I actually should have done before I did my foundation, but I'm just gonna go in with this small brush and just wipe it on my lower lash line to add a little bit more color. And using a small brush, I'm gonna take the shade Nephrite and just put it in my inner corner. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Now I'm just gonna go in with the L'Oreal mascara and put this on my lashes, and then I'll be right back. And for my lips, I'm just mixing two shades from MAC. This is the shade Twig. I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord. And the shade Sweet Bits. This is a Dazzle lipstick. So I'm just gonna dab it on the center of my lips. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. And here's the final look. If you like this tutorial, please do give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a next video. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram on Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Till next time, bye guys! Hi guys, so I'm back to do the evening look. This is how my makeup has lasted so far. It's been about 6 hours, and now I'm just gonna touch up for evening out. So firstly, as you can see, my face is a little shiny, so I'm just gonna go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and just take the shine away. And then now for my eyes, I'm just gonna deepen up the color a bit. So just taking the small brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Duo. It's a dark chocolatey shade, and just adding it to the outer V and the crease. And just taking it under the lower lash line as well. And then I'm just gonna take the lighter shade Eden as well for my lower lash line. Just blending it out. There is a bit of fallout from the glitter, but not too much. You can simply just dust it away. It's not that much. I'm just gonna use a black pencil liner to line my lower waterline and make it darker. Now going in with the Benefit Push-Up Liner, I'm just gonna line my upper lash line. And I feel like I want to deepen up that outer V even more, so I'm gonna go back in that shade and just... The big blending brush, just blending it out. I'm gonna add a bit more of the blush. So for an evening look, I like to make my blush darker. So I'm just doing that. And we set our face with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, so it has taken a little bit of the color away as well. And of course it's faded over time also. So for a night out, I like deepened and defined my eyes more with black, and I've also added more blush. The third thing that I like to do for a night out is add a more intense highlighter. So this is the Becca Champagne Pop. This is a quite intense highlighter, so I'm just adding that. I really want my highlighter to glow and shine, so I'm adding a bit. Now for my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with these eyelashes. I don't remember where these are from, but they're very natural looking because I don't want to make it too dramatic. So I'm just gonna go pop on these lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my lashes on. Now we're just gonna go in with the lip. I'm going to go in with the shade Trophy Wife from Huda Beauty. It's a deeper shade than I had applied during the daytime, because I think if you want to glam up your look, then using a deeper color is a good idea. And for my lower lash line, I want to smoke it out with the black a little. So I'm just using this kohl liner and bringing my liner a little bit lower. And then I'm going to take this pencil brush, dip it in the darkest shade, maybe from the Tartelette palette, since this is in front of me. This shade called Fashionista. It's like a black shade, a grayish black, and just smudge it along my lower lash line as well. Highlight the inner corner a bit more, so I'm gonna go in with my Becca Champagne Pop and just highlight my inner corner. And here's the final look. So as you saw, just adding a few steps, like adding a darker liner, a darker lip color, highlighting your face more, or just even adding eyelashes can simply take your look from day to night. So if you're in a rush and you just need to touch up and just look a little more glammed up than you're looking already for a night out or something, you can do all of these or even a few things. If you thought this was a helpful tutorial and if you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and you can hit the notification bell to further get notified about my videos. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Bye guys, till next time.